So we're back. This exhaust leak went from obnoxious to really obnoxious because there's now because the exhaust manifold is not connected to the block right now. So when I start this joint, I'm just gonna have to start it.
So we didn't get the job done yesterday. This morning though, we did succeed in something, waking the neighbors.
The exhaust is not even connected all the way.
The plan for today, step 1, get the new exhaust off. Step 2, repair the engine block threads. Step 3, put the new exhaust on. Step 4, rest. I had to invest in a thread repair kit to fix the threads in the engine block that attached to the exhaust manifold. Because this was something I've done in the past, it came relatively easy. And though the margin for error was pretty high, I had no other choice but to get this done. Traffic was higher than usual today. I was so focused I didn't even realize my foot was actually sticking out into the road. I was making progress and on my way to finish up the exhaust when...
Hello! When are you done? Are you fixing that in the backyard?
What's up?
Huh?
I'm almost done.
You don't want to keep cooking in the backyard, man?
Yeah, I'm done. I'm legit just done. I'm almost done.
Oh, all right.
I got you though.
Sure?
Yeah.
I can do it for you, you sure?
Yeah. I'm like legit almost done.
Huh?
Yeah, I'm almost done.
My landlord saw me working on the car on the street. As much as I appreciate him offering the backyard, I legit was almost done.
Alright, I'm legit lined up right now.
Yo, that was a fucking fight, bro. All right, so we just finished up. Everything is bolted up. I just gotta plug in the O2 sensors and then start the car.
And that was that. The Adventure Mobile was back in action. Only thing to do now was to test drive it and check everything out. Now, it's off to another adventure.
Next time on Poppy Street.